Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to delete or how to disable Payoneer payment as a payment method on Fiverr. So first of all, what you're going to do, you're going to just go back to your screen and go ahead to your browser. And what you're going to do, you're going to just update your Fiverr and update also your Payoneer, right? Basically what you're going to do after you updated the app, what you're going to do, you're going to just go back to your screen, go ahead to your browser. And basically what I'm going to do, if you want to disable or remove Payoneer as a payment method from your Fiverr, what you're going to do, you're going to just go ahead, basically you can remove the Payoneer account from the earnings page. To update your account information, please contact Payoneer help and support. But if you want to remove it as a payment method, just log in and click your profile picture, go to the billing and payments, payment methods, credit card for payments or PayPal for payments, and then click remove. Now turn on the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.